Just put the mosquito coil in water and you'll never have this problem again. This hack will change your life. So guys, I have this product here. This is a well-known brand in my city, but it's about these mosquito coils. People use it by setting fire at the end. Then it raises a smoke that drives away flies and mosquitoes, right? However, many people are allergic to this product because of the smoke. It is pretty strong and many people do not like it. Because of that, I'm going to give you a life hack so you can use this thing without trouble. We're actually going to make it better. And of course, avoid this kind of allergy. So come with me. So guys, the first thing we're going to do is moisten our mosquito coil to make it way better to handle. So just go ahead and put it under the tap. After this, let's take a bowl and break into little pieces like this. Do it with the whole coil. You're going to break it just like this. Chunks of that size are great. Okay, after this, now you're going to need alcohol, all right? I'm using 46%, but you can use any other. So I'm going to put here in the bowl 7 ounces of alcohol. Let me put it here. 7 ounces of alcohol. And last but not least, you're going to need cloves. If you didn't know, cloves are an excellent natural repellent, folks. It has a substance called eugenol that keeps all kinds of flies away, and especially mosquitoes. So go ahead and add about a handful or so. So put it here. Now go ahead and mix everything really well. And now, all you're going to do is let this mixture rest for about an hour, all right? So that the alcohol can absorb all substance very well. Then I'm going to show you how you can use it. Okay, folks, it's been an hour. And here we are. And you can see that the liquid even changed color. And now, to use it, all you're going to do is place this container in this tragic place in your home. In places you notice, flies and mosquitoes love to hang around. Here at home, for example, I like to keep it near windows. And this is really amazing, folks. It really gets rid of all flies and mosquitoes, especially now in hot seasons. So guys, I really like this hack because it's very efficient and easy. And you can also do the following in case you have an ant problem in your house. You can get a spray bottle like this one, get a funnel too. You're going to need this. Then go ahead and add our mixture in. For this, you'll also need a sieve, so it won't clog your spray bottle. Just go ahead and pour all the liquid to the spray bottle. Make sure to close it. Now you can apply it where you see ants in your house. Like this little corner here at mine, they always appear right here. So I take this mixture that we made and spray a little bit here in these corners. That's all I gotta do to get totally rid of those little ants. I'm sure you'll thank me 1,000,000 times after you do this tip. It's simply magical, and it will put an end to your bug problem once and for all. So folks, that was today's tip. It's very effective and pretty easy to make. Home life hacks. You'll regret not learning these. 1. If your door lock screws have come loose from long-term use. Here's a quick fix. Use a drill to slightly widen the screw hole. Then take 2 cotton swabs. Apply some glue to the cotton tips. Insert them into the hole. Cut off the excess part of the swabs. Reattach the lock plate. Trim the swabs to the appropriate length. Now screw them back in and they won't come loose again. 2. This tip can save you a fortune over a year. It's easy to accidentally use too much dish soap while washing dishes. This is very wasteful. Get a rubber sleeve. Put the sleeve over the soap dispenser pump, just like this. Now you won't squeeze out too much soap. 3. Cut a straw at an angle with scissors. Insert it into the sink drain. It can pull out a lot of hair that's clogging the drain. 4. Nails on the wall. Always hang picture frames crooked. Attach 2 magnetic nails to the sides of the frame. Mark the spots on the wall. Align the nails with the marks. Now they won't hang crooked anymore. 5. Too many nail holes in the wall? Grab a bar of soap. Rub it over the holes. Now they're invisible. 6. Cut a slit in a bottle cap with scissors. Heat 2 embroidery needles with a lighter. Insert them into the bottle cap. Repeat with another needle. Place a button battery in between. Now you've made a simple tool to test lights. It's very handy for checking light bulbs. Follow me for daily life hacks.